All right, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and it is Wacky Wednesday, May 21st. So let's get right into it. Chewy. Not Chewbacca, but Chewy. Although this thing is about as hairy as Chewbacca when it comes to this bull run here. This thing has been running for quite a while, and my suggestion is if you've been following along with us, you probably want to be taking some profits. Nothing wrong with this trend, by the way. You look at this red box here, it looks just like this one, quite a bit lower. This one, quite a bit lower than that. This one, let's just say that was a little different. So was this one. But the point is, we've seen these red boxes where the stock closes lower than the prior day, and it also closes lower than it opened. That indicates selling pressure basically across the board for that day. We've seen these every so often as the stock marches up. So it would not surprise me to see Chewy running tomorrow again. If you look at the volume, we want to see heavier than average volume when the stock's moving up, which we do here. We want to see very light volume if the stock is correcting or pulling back, which we do here. And so we can kind of just like take volume out of play and instead just look at the way the stock is trading. It's still up above the 8-day exponential moving average, which is a pretty good delineation for trending stocks. It's pretty good delineation there. So we're quite a bit above that. However, if the stock were to pull down and test that, you're risking almost, in fact, basically you're risking over 3%, 3.5%, because you can't keep your stop right here. You got to put it a little bit lower. My point is, you're risking giving back a significant amount of your gain if you've been around for a while. You could say, well, hey, it's only 3.5%. Well, not really, because let's say you have a 10% gain on the stock, and then the stock pulls back 3.5%. Well, you didn't take a 3.5% loss. You took a 35% loss or 33% loss, because all we're talking about is your profit, not what the stock pulled back. And if you can get what I'm just saying and like burn that into your brain, congratulations, you've just developed into a much better trader. It's not how much the stock pulls back that matters. It's how much of your profit you are giving away when the stock pulls back that matters, because that's where your money is, man. Okay, so anyway, with that said, I want to show you this. Bam. This is the way we were trading, still are, the way we're trading this stock. Got a really, really solid entry back here, and we had a pretty tight stop on it, all things considered. So that gave us a really, really low risk, a very, very small risk to start. Now, the stock has cooperated with us all the way up. And so when it got up to here at 40.90, that gave us a 3R, meaning our reward was $3 for every dollar that we risked. Gets up to here, that's 4R. Gets up to here, that's 5R. So now we've got a $5 profit on every dollar that we've risked. This is a monster trade. This is 6R up here. It did not get there, but this is my point. Be mindful of what I was just saying about giving away profits. Even though this stock, again, it could just run up tomorrow again. Even though it could do that, I'm looking at this now as we got to be in profit protection mode. So I suggested a tighter stop here to kind of contain any more give back on the stock. So, and this isn't an inviolable thing here. You can set your stop lower or higher if you want. All I'm saying is I'm not calling a top here. I'm protecting profits. It's a big difference. I'm not calling a top. The best traders know to sell into strength. They don't try to top tick stuff. They just know to sell into strength. And so I want you to be thinking about that as you're looking at a stock like this. Also, I'll let you know this. I had a webinar last night, and you'll be getting some emails on this. They're marketing emails, but I'm just letting you know, on the weekend after Memorial Day, I'm teaching a 3-day course. You'll be getting a long video. You'll be getting several emails about it, but I'm just giving you the heads up. It's a 3-day course at $17.95. That's going to be the quote Memorial Day special. After that, it's going to be at it'll be $100 more, like $18.95, basically, 1900 bucks, and maybe even up to $19.95. It just kind of depends. So anyway, that's what we have right now. You get 2 days of hardcore sessions and then 1 day of trading, and we'll do it all day if you guys want to. And then also for the first, I think I've got 30 people, maybe 35 people that are enrolling. You actually get a 4th day on Thursday. So that's why I'm telling you this now, because if you're interested and then you go to sign up and you ask Karen, like, hey, well, when's Dan's 4th day? It'd be a drag for her to say, well, actually, no, you don't get that. So just giving you the heads up on that. There's also, I don't really need to go into that here. I'm also forming what I call a founder's circle, but it's actually going to be in an entirely separate venue, Fitzpatrick Trading Group, for super serious traders who really go deep and who also run a lot of money. That's really what it's all about. There's a lot of things to it. Bi-monthly coaching sessions, one-on-one sessions, private Slack channel and Telegram, various other things as well. So there's a lot to it. You can't just sign up for it. By the way, it's 15 grand. You can't sign up for it. You have to fill out this and send Karen a note, and then she will give you more information on it. And again, you can't just enroll. You're going to be interviewed by me, because the only people I want in here, honestly, are people that I like and that I would like working with, and others too. We'll have guest speakers. It's going to be a really cool deal. So if you're interested in that, and most of you can't get in anyway, so don't feel like you're missing out. That's all I got. So, all right, I'll see you guys next time.